I got a new hat. Let's take a look. This hat was designed by Sharoy. If you're not familiar with Sharoy, this will be his third hat club design, and he was inspired by Batman and the Joker. I knew it immediately just from one look at the hat, because y'all know I have my nerdy side. So let's go ahead and break this down. You have the upside down Diamondbacks front logo, making it a V-backs. I love the colors in there. It's like vintage Batman. I don't really want to say vintage Batman because that makes me feel old, but I guess it's true at this point. You know, older Batman, vintage Batman, comic book Batman. You have the blues, like 2 different shades of blue in there, a darker and a lighter. There's also some metallic, like icy blue in there. That's a really nice touch on the outline. And of course, the dot of yellow in the middle, just a little accent of yellow. Nicely placed colors on a black crown. I mean, can you really go wrong with that? Then you move on to the side patch. You have that inaugural season Diamondback snakehead side patch, which I think is a fan favorite. And this, of course, is inspired by the Joker. You have the green, the purple, the white on the outline, and also to kind of break things up in there for the text. It's clear, it's legible, everything is not muddled together. The placement, again, is just as good as the front logo. And I think doing, you know, villain and hero on the front and the side was a really good idea. I like the way that he broke that down. It's a good idea and it's well executed. He carried it through to the finish line. He even put the yellow eyes inside the snake head. Real nice detail. Flat batterment on the back, yellow, light blue, and dark blue in the opposite corner. Tonal New Era flag, gray UV, black sweatband to wrap things up. Keeping the hat tonal black was a good idea. Everything just looks crispy. All of those colors come through really nicely. And Batman, I have to admit, is my favorite superhero. I don't think y'all could see it with the way that I'm sitting today. So let me take y'all off the tripod real quick. All right, so that right there is my slim painting of Batman that sits in my setup. I picked that up from New York Comic Con. You can see the same blues, purples, got the hint of yellow. Like I said, DC Batman, comic book Batman, old school Batman, if you want to call him that. But there it is. You can see the colors were translated really accurately. I think Sharoy did a great job. I wore the Joker shirt today so that I could do a brim switch. I have on the Atlanta Braves from the, what was it called? The Phantasma pack, the Magic pack, something like that. This is also Hat Club, fire hat. But I did, you know, wear the Joker shirt so that I could do a brim switch. So let's go ahead, steam it, curve it, and I'm gonna show y'all what the hat looks like on. So this is what it's looking like on and with the Joker tee right there. I'm digging it. I think it came out really nice. Big ups to Sharoy, you know, bringing his vision to life on his 3rd crown. Congratulations. Make sure y'all go show him some love. And if you're watching this video, the hat is out. You can buy it right now on Hat Club's website and the app. So run, don't walk, because this is a gem and it'll be one of those hats that once it sells out, then people will want to know, you know, where's that V-backs from? What's good with that V-back? So be ahead of the curve, not behind it. If you enjoyed today's video, as always, like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. I really appreciate it. And I will check y'all out in the next one.